What are these?
Books. Books. This last book. Matthew. This book. These books. Hello friends, I could have a Christmas book.
Yeah?
Oh, there's so much sweets here.
Wow.
Book.
Wow.
I'm Pepper. It says I'm Pepper. First, socks and pajamas. This is my books and my goods.
And this is Thomas box candies.
Smarties.
Smarties. Yum.
That's little here. Oh,
What's that?
I think these are rainbow jelly fruits. I think.
You got the same?
No. A lollipop.
Wow.
A lollipop. And yes, fruits. Actually, I don't think it's fruits.
That's a magic. Yeah, you see, that's a magic snow.
Wow. Okay. These are mine.
Thomas, what is that?
Books.
I think
Play-Doh.
that's Play-Doh
Rudolph, yeah.
for you.
Yeah. Oh, Rudolph.
Who is that?
Rudolph.
Rudolph.
Let's open this. Yeah. Oh,
You got the same.
I think this is a game.
Okay.
I think we need to color this.
It's a mug. Thomas, I think you have the same.
Yeah, you have a same.
Ooh,
Let's
nice.
put this here.
That's activity pack coloring. Oh, that's nice. Love it.
Butter!
Wow.
Painting!
Painting.
I love
Let me
butter.
see this. Oh, that's cool. What is that, Thomas? Wow. And you got the same mug as Matthew. Perfect. What is that?
Six packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. Is that nice?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Let's open this.
What's that, Bobo?
Coloring. Nice. Now, this is coloring. Let's see. More. This is the stickers, a pencil, glass.
What colors are these?
What colors are these? Blue, yellow, red, and blue. Okay. If I go here. Oh. Let's put this here. We'll put some stickers. Coloring pencil back. What's up on this? What's up on this? Up on this. Nothing else.
Nothing else?
Oh.
All right.
Let's hope they put magic snow. It says here, just add water and watch it grow.
A magic snow. Ooh.
Mama, help me.
Yeah.
It's magic snow.
Yeah, I think we need to add water now.
It's a carrot.
My God, look.
It's blowing.
Oh, wow, look.
Yeah. It's nice.
Slowly.
Let's place it here.
Whoa.
Oh, let's this again.
Wow.
Oopsie.
Whoa.
Look at me. Second Play-Doh. Yeah, Play-Doh. Thomas.
Yes.
Thomas one. Play-Doh. Oh, we got rainbow color Play-Doh.
Whoa.
Orange, pink, green, blue, and yellow, and red.
And let me see.
Got some shapes here. And we
Yeah.
got
We have apple, tree,
dog,
dog,
and
a boat, I
a
think.
boat. Yeah, I see him.
Yeah? What's wrong?
It's stuck together.
Ring. Really? Oh, let me try. Whoa.
Ooh.
Blue.
Blue.
You need to use the knife.
Very dog. Dog. A cup. Break it.
Really?
A dog. Let's color window.
Wow.
Window.
Let's do it.
Window.
Oh, Rudolph, so cute.
Yeah, got apple color.
Yeah, we're gonna open that and we're gonna use the small brush.
I can't even open this thing.
I'm gonna help you.
We're gonna color the nose reds. Okay, how can I open these? Yeah,
Oh,
Let me see. So cute. Very nice. I finished.
let me see. Oh, wow. That's perfect.
Oh my look. Let's open this.
What is that?
I don't know, Mama. Ah,
Oh,
there's a ball here. Some blocks.
oh. I
guess
think.
We have to roll the ball to the blocks to break it.
Mm-hmm. I think it's that.
Yeah.
You're right.
Look at the picture.
Wow. Let's do it.
We need to build it. We will start like this.
That's perfect.
What?
Now go there. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1. All right. 1, 2. Whoa! Good. Now Thomas. Oh. Nice.
Now it's time for this.
What is that?
Dogs. I don't know.
Let's open that.
Look over here. We can make things A, B, C, different colors.
What colors do we have?
Red, green, sky blue with whites, and white with purple, blue, That's red, that's green. So this looks sticky. That's sticky. Oh, okay. Oh, sticky. Wow.
Yeah,
So
that's,
nice.
yeah, that's beautiful
It
and nice.
sticks to me.
Wow, it's sparkly.
I like this.
You like that? Perfect.
Still on my hand.
Let me check.
What the?
It's still there.
You know, this will never dry.
Whoa.
Now we're gonna open my
Which one? What is that? Let's open the Minecraft first.
Let's open this first.
All right. What is that? That's the Thomas one.
Yeah, these colors.
Yay! Let's go. Let's go.
Nice.
Is that nice?
Open this thing. Ah!
Oof. A little break.
A little break.
Okay, let's see what's inside of this one.
A doctor.
What is that?
I think this is a doctor. Oh no.
Oh, color your coat. Oh, this is a big puzzle. Let's do it, yeah?
Okay, we're gonna need a lot of space.
Yes, we do.
I think this one.
Right.
Yes.
Ooh,
And then
what is that?
this one is
Yes,
here.
perfect.
This
And the
one
last
is-
one. Yay! Ooh, so good.
Yeah.
Thomas, what is it? Thomas?
I did it.
Wow.
I did it. Oh yeah.
Good. That's nice.
I think this little things are going here.
That's cute. Oh, wow. Yeah, you're right.
We got some different colors here.
We got blue, green, brown, black,
White,
we got orange, yeah, white,
purple,
red.
pink, yellow, orange. Minecraft time! Minecraft time.
Let's open.
Let's open. Minecraft.
Oh my god.
Here.
Still there?
Minecraft.
Ta-da-da-da.
This is a little bit hard.
You can do it.
Oh.
Ooh.
Wow.
Creeper. Let me see.
Oh.
Oh, what is it? Stickers.
Oh. Minecraft book.
Minecraft book.
No. Coloring pencils.
Really?
Oh.
What is that?
Coloring.
Nice one. I like that.
I want one.
What is it?
one.
Oh, you want one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, friends. Subscribe to see the Christmas presents.
Wow, I can't wait. Bye.
Bye.